Hello there, you're watching Screen Biz and I'm back with a new movie review. Yes, we are reviewing this time Stree 2. Now Stree 2 है sequel Stree की जो release हुई थी 2018 में. Now since the story is an extension of what we had seen in the first part, movie begins from where the first part had ended. वही सुनसान सड़कें, रात का अंधेरा और हाँ, Stree ka statue which was erected out of respect to ensure the vengeful spirit isn't back in Chanderi to target only unmarried men during festival days. First 30 minutes को देख के आपको लगेगा अरे ये तो वही पुराने scenes है ना पुरानी मूवी के, पर वो intentionally किया गया है to ensure you know exactly what had happened in the first part. And in the so-called repetitive sequences, आपको मिलता है चंदेरी शहर का रक्षक विकी. Yes, विकी प्लीज is back and so is उसका एक तरफा प्यार फॉर श्रद्धा कपूर जिनका नाम इस फिल्म में भी नहीं बताया जाता. उनका बॉडी का नाप लेने का तरीका, विकी's father speaking to विकी about the need of being स्वयं सेवक और हाँ 50 रुपए का तेल, ये सब फर्स्ट पार्ट में आपको दिखाया जाता है जो कि लिया गया है स्त्री मूवी से. ये देख के आपको यही लगेगा कि चीजें बदली नहीं, but no, things have changed and so has the movie. With horror, humor and of course hot twists, the first 30 minutes keep you on the edge of your seats. So इतने सालों में विकी, बिट्टू, रुद्र भैया और जना का हुआ क्या? Vicky still yearns for and often fantasizes about the mysterious girl played by Shraddha Kapoor, who disappeared with Stree's braid at the end of the first film, leaving no trace at all. His friends are equally smitten. Bittu, that's played by Apar Shakti Khurana, remains hopelessly stuck in his attempts to get closer to his new crush. Meanwhile, Rudra Bhaiya, that's played by Pankaj Tripathi, the local paranormal expert, receives an unexpected letter. Yes, ये है एक गुप्त संदेश, as he excitedly calls it, immediately sparking memories of his old flame, a woman that was named Shama. अब इस गुप्त संदेश में है क्या? इस गुप्त संदेश में है सरकटा, which is a headless monster of the film, के आने का संदेश. A towering demon known as Sarkata, driven by an ancient grudge against Stree, is abducting young girls in Chanderi. Now, the film's most memorable visual gag is Sarkata's detachable head, which appears as a harmless ball of wool before unfurling its tentacle-like hair to ensnare his victims. About 40 minutes later, we get to see Jana, yes, our favorite Jana, who appears to be more ambitious than his fukre friends. But for his friends, वो वैसे का वैसा ही है झिंगूर जैसा. Dialogues like virgin तेल healthy है मेल नहीं, तुम्हें दिल से और हाथ से याद किया. Confusion around Chitti, which is Bittu's missing girlfriends, and Chitti, which means letter. Jana getting a French kiss, every bit stands out in the first half. The first half of Stree 2 captures the same texture and playful charm that defined Raj and DK's original screenplay. It is fun, it's hilarious and offer a bit of horror. Yes, we're saying a bit of horror because इसमें comedy ज़्यादा है और horror का. Several sequences remain with you, like the gang's first encounter with Danav, which is of course the Sarkata, and the second encounter where they hide themselves under a wooden elephant. Brilliant thinking, brilliant execution. Again, बहुत डर नहीं लगेगा पर हाँ, बहुत हंसी आपको जरूर आई. और नेल बाइटिंग हॉरर के नाम पे आपको मिलता है नेल बाइटिंग सीक्वेंस which is absolutely funny because it's of course features Rajkumar Rao. जना का डायलॉग इसमें स्त्री, भेड़िया, खोपड़ी सब है. Now this particular dialogue stands out because it beautifully encapsulates the main thrust of the film. The incisive critique of patriarchy and gender dynamics that enriched Kaushik's debut film is back in the sequel too. Sarkata, the demon, focuses his attack on women with आधुनिक सोच, जिनको कहा जाता है नई सोच वाली लड़कियां. Strangely, Rudra's strategy to draw Sarkata also revolves around hosting a dance program, which is in fact traditional. It's just not modern. Now, what's really confusing and unconvincing is the moment when the women of Chanderi unanimously select Vicky as their protector. A choice that, unlike in Stree, lacks the emotional weight and context provided by a personal backstory. And when we talk about Rajkumar Rao, we have to say that he's phenomenal. He remains delightful as a nervy tailor, a modest figure caught up in an epic narrative. He retains Vicky's inherent charm, exemplified when he expresses genuine wonder कि क्या आप मेरे अंदर थी, as Shraddha's character performs a magical transformation that fuses their bodies.
Shraddha's mysterious sorceress is most central in this installment, gracefully spinning her luminous pontal like a lasso.
While she adds the needed superhero allure to the film, Kaushik ultimately steers the story in another direction. Pankaj Tripathi reprises his role as a resident bookkeeper, and his deadpan comic timing provides a perfect counterbalance to the trio. Although everyone looks to Vicky for help, his role as a hero is marked more by false bravado than genuine and real heroism. This shift offers a refreshing change from the savior complex often seen in the Stree franchise too.
It's fun to watch how Abhishek Banerjee and Pankaj Tripathi build tension in a typical horror fashion, only to end in an absurd, humorous way, catching the audience off guard. The scary scenes are followed by humorous moments, giving the audience relief from the tension. And so is Apar Shakti Khurana. He's memorable for his flawless depiction of his character, Bittu.
A clear connection between Bhediya and Stree 2, both directed by Amar Kaushik and part of the expanding Maddock universe of supernatural films, is established through the appearance of the wild creature central to Bhediya. Now, this creature makes a return in both the climax and a post-credit scene. These subtle nods are crafted for dedicated fans of horror films who enjoy these interconnected elements. Now, the main drawback of Stree 2 lies in its climax and also in its VFX. Although Sarkata represents toxic masculinity and of course the dangers of ignoring such a threat, the visual effects make him appear almost cartoonish. I mean, usko dekh ke to हंसी आती है, डर तो क्या ही लगेगा. Our suggestion to you, well, if you plan to watch Stree 2 only to get terrified, for that fear element, to see how horror elements have been implemented, I would suggest don't focus on that. Rather focus on the chuckles, कितना ये आपको हंसाते हैं, कितना ये fun element movie में लेके आते हैं, that's more important for this particular film. So yes, if it's horror that you're focusing on, it's a strict no. But if it's humor and light-hearted charm of the film that you would want to enjoy, it's a perfect yes.